Hey, welcome back to Young Founders Club. Do you want to start a home business but don't know where to begin? Machines can help you turn your skills into profits right from your garage or spare room. Today, we're counting down the top 20 machines you can buy online to start your home business. Whether you're into crafting, printing, or food production, there's something here for you. Stick around till the end for some bonus tips on how to maximize your earnings. 20. Heat Press Machine. At number 20, we have the Heat Press Machine, a versatile tool perfect for creating custom t-shirts, mugs, hats, and tote bags. These machines come in various sizes, from small clamshell models for beginners to large commercial presses. You can use them with vinyl transfers, sublimation paper, or even direct-to-garment transfers. The startup costs are relatively low, and with platforms like Etsy and local markets, you can easily sell personalized products year-round. Plus, seasonal designs for holidays and events can keep your business booming all year. So 19. 3D Printer. A 3D printer is a game-changer for makers and entrepreneurs. With a decent FDM, fused deposition modeling printer, you can create custom figurines, phone cases, home decor, and even functional parts like brackets and tools. Resin printers offer higher detail for jewelry and miniatures. The best part? You can sell digital designs on platforms like Cults 3D or Etsy, or print on demand for local customers. Niche markets like board game accessories, cosplay props, and replacement parts are especially profitable. At 18. Embroidery Machine. The embroidery machine opens doors to custom apparel and branded merchandise. Unlike basic sewing machines, these can stitch intricate logos, names, and designs automatically. Popular models like the Brother PE800 can handle hats, shirts, and even towels. You can target small businesses needing branded uniforms, schools for team apparel, or sell personalized gifts on Etsy. The learning curve is moderate, but once you master digitizing designs, the profit margins are excellent. And 17. Laser Engraver. The laser engraver is perfect for personalized gifts and corporate merchandise. CO2 lasers work great on wood, acrylic, and leather, while diode lasers can mark metal with special coatings. You can create custom wedding gifts, signage, branded promotional items, and even jewelry. Many small businesses use these for local craft fairs or online stores. Some entrepreneurs even offer engraving services for trophies, pet tags, and industrial part labeling. Whopper 16. Screen Printing Kit. A screen printing kit is ideal for bulk custom apparel without huge costs. While automatic presses are expensive, starter kits let you print manually at home. You can produce batches of shirts for local bands, schools, or events. The ink and screens are reusable, making it cost-effective for larger orders. Many home businesses start with simple one-color designs and expand as they grow. Plus, screen printing works on tote bags, posters, and more. 15. CNC Machine. A CNC machine, computer numerical control, lets you craft precision woodwork, metal engravings, and acrylic designs. Small desktop CNC routers are affordable and perfect for signs, custom furniture, and decorative pieces. More advanced users can make high-end products like guitar bodies or architectural models. The key is finding a niche. Personalized home decor, wedding signage, or even custom cabinetry parts can be highly profitable. 14. Sublimation Printer. A sublimation printer creates vibrant, full-color designs that won't crack or fade. Unlike regular inkjet printers, these use heat to transfer dye onto polyester fabrics, coated mugs, and phone cases. The startup cost is moderate, but the profit potential is huge. Custom photo gifts, team jerseys, and promotional items are always in demand. You'll need a heat press too, but the results are professional quality with minimal effort. 13. Coffee Roaster. A coffee roaster turns green coffee beans into gourmet roasted batches. Small drum roasters let you experiment with flavors and sell locally or online. Specialty coffee is booming, and customers love unique blends and single-origin roasts. You can target cafes, sell at farmers markets, or even offer subscription services. The key is branding. Tell the story behind your beans, and coffee lovers will pay premium prices. Chapter 12. Soap-making machine. A soap-making machine, or even a manual setup, helps create organic, handmade soaps. Cold process and melt and pour methods allow endless customization with scents, colors, and additives like oatmeal or charcoal. Handmade soap sells well at craft fairs, online stores, and even local boutiques. Luxury brands charge high prices, but even simple natural soaps can generate steady income. Packaging and branding make a big difference in perceived value. 11. Candle making kit. A candle making kit is one of the easiest home businesses to start. Soy wax, fragrance oils, and simple molds are all you need. Scented candles, especially seasonal or therapeutic blends, like lavender for relaxation, sell incredibly well. You can offer custom labels for weddings, corporate gifts, or holidays. Many candle makers upsell with matching room sprays or wax melts for extra revenue. 10. Vinyl cutter. A vinyl cutter, like a cricket or silhouette, is perfect for custom stickers, wall decals, and car graphics. These machines cut adhesive vinyl precisely, letting you create anything from laptop skins to wedding signage. The startup cost is low, and the demand for personalized decor is high. Many sellers also offer design services for clients who want unique creations. 9. Powder coating machine. A powder coating machine gives metal a durable, professional finish. Car enthusiasts, furniture makers, and even bike shops need this service. You can refinish wheels, patio furniture, or tools. The process is eco-friendly, no solvents, and more durable than paint. Offering mobile powder coating for local businesses can be a lucrative niche. 8. Ice cream maker. An ice cream maker lets you craft gourmet flavors you can't find in stores. Small batch artisanal ice cream is trending, with unique flavors like matcha, bourbon caramel, or dairy-free options. Sell at local markets, offer subscription boxes, or partner with cafes. Packaging and branding are key. Think Instagram-worthy pints with creative names. 7. T-shirt printing machine. A direct-to-garment (DTG) printer is like an inkjet for fabric. It prints high-quality, full-color designs without screens. While the upfront cost is higher than heat presses, it's perfect for small batches or detailed artwork. Many sellers use these for print-on-demand businesses, fulfilling orders as they come in without inventory risks. 6. Bakery oven. A commercial bakery oven is a must for serious home bakers. From sourdough loaves to macarons, quality baked goods sell fast at farmers markets, local cafes, and online. Specialty diets, gluten-free, keto, vegan, are especially profitable. Some bakers even offer monthly subscription boxes with seasonal treats. 5. Essential oil distiller. An essential oil distiller extracts oils from plants like lavender, peppermint, or citrus. Pure, organic oils sell well for aromatherapy, skincare, and cleaning products. You can also create value-added items like roll-on perfumes or scented candles. Local growers often partner with distillers to process their herbs. 4. Jewelry making kit. A jewelry making kit, with tools like a kiln, torch, or bead loom, lets you create unique pieces. Handmade jewelry has huge markups. Simple beaded bracelets can sell for 5x material costs. Target niches like bridal, bohemian, or minimalist styles. Offering customization, birthstone's initials, boost sales. 3. Document laminator. A document laminator might seem simple, but schools, small offices, and restaurants need laminated menus, ID cards, and signs. Offer quick turnaround times locally, or sell pre-made templates like waterproof hiking guides or recipe cards. Nabisho vending machine. 2. A vending machine can be placed in offices, gyms, or laundromats for passive income. Healthy snacks, phone chargers, or even beauty products are trending. Negotiate locations with a profit split, no daily work required. 1. POD, print-on-demand, printer. And 1. A print-on-demand printer, or service like Printful, lets you sell custom designs with zero inventory. Upload artwork to platforms like Redbubble or Shopify, and they handle printing, shipping. Low risk, infinite scalability, perfect for artists or niche markets like pet lovers or gamers. There you have it, 20 machines to kickstart your home business. Which one fits your skills and budget? Let us know in the comments. For more tips on starting a business, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next video.